Let's go through the most common and some of the more exceptional dashboard lights out there. 57. Lane departure warning. This warning light comes up if the vehicle strays from its lane or the driver changes lanes without using the turn signals. Lane departure warning shouldn't be confused with lane keeping assist because the latter can keep the vehicle from moving out of its lane by applying steering input. 58. Hill descent control. This system steadies the vehicle's speed while driving downhill. 59. Forward collision warning. Warns the driver when their vehicle is too close to the vehicle, pedestrian, or obstacle in front. Vehicles equipped with automatic emergency braking apply the brakes automatically to avoid or mitigate a crash. 60. Cruise control. This symbol turns when the cruise control system is active. The yellow symbol turns green once the driver selects a speed. 61. Auto windshield wiping. The windshield wipers are in operation in automatic mode. 62. Winter mode. Not to be confused with the frost warning, winter mode prevents the tires from spinning in winter driving conditions, ice and snow on the road, by starting an automatic equipped vehicle in second or third gear. 63. Engine air filter warning. An overly dirty engine air filter, or filters automatically means that less air is going into the engine, thus leading to reduced engine performance. If this light comes on, the filter definitely needs to be replaced. 64. Cabin air recirculation. The ventilation system recirculates air from the cabin rather than using fresh air from outside. This feature is best used during the summer months to cool the interior that much quicker. You don't want to use recirculated air in the winter because it traps humidity in the cabin, leading to extremely foggy windows.